I'm Brett at GuideWise, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to customize your lock screen with widgets.
If this video helped you, consider subscribing and like this video so others can find it too.
So first we're going to open up our settings app and then scroll down to wallpaper. In this page, you can see your lock screen and your home screen. We're going to tap on the customize box for your lock screen. Now here is your lock screen. As you can see, I have a couple widgets right here in the widget bar. If you'd like to alter these, just tap and then you can click the minus to delete. And then here are your entire list of widgets by app. If you would like to add a widget, just tap on it there and it puts it in the widgets bar. You can move it to one side or the other by holding that and dragging. It will default to the left side, so you have to add another widget. So let's add that one. And now we can drag and drop and order these widgets in whichever side we would like to have them. When you're all set, click done, and this will be your new lock screen with your widgets.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.